4 amazing waterfalls in one trail. We go diving, climbing, and swimming on the burning hot day. This is John and Fern. Welcome back to the second episode of the water adventure. What are we gonna do today?
Well, this is a walk that I've been wanting to do for a long time. We're going to get wet. We're going to be going up past, I think, about 3 or 4 fantastic waterfalls that I have not seen yet. It's been raining a lot recently. Should be really good. Along the Tung Trail.
Tung Trail.
He knows what he's talking about. Let's go.
Let's go. Summer has come and the weather is getting hotter. So we are taking a break from the mountainous trails and finding activities closer to the water. With almost 500 kilometers of coastline and plenty of gushing streams and waterfalls, Hong Kong has lots of energetic things to do that will keep you outdoors without overheating. In this series, we take on 10 water adventures that can all easily be done in one day. In this episode, we're going to climb up the side of Hong Kong's tallest mountain, Dai Mo Shan, and visit 4 waterfalls. We start the hike at Tai Wo MTR station and take a taxi to Tung Trail. After passing through a memorial archway and a Taoist temple, we enter a forest where the trail is shaded by trees. After just a few minutes hiking, we reach the first waterfall, the bottom fall. And it seems like DJ didn't learn much from the last episode, so I had to give him an odd biology lesson.
It's like a scorpion in the water. Can you see it?
Wow! Is there a lobster?
I think it's a scorpion, isn't it?
No, that's a lobster, okay?
Lobster?
DJ might be good at climbing, but definitely not a biology expert like me. Wait, what is he doing? Climbing up a waterfall? No, I'm not going to do that. No! Come back, George!
I made it! You cheat! How did you get up?
That is the spirit of a Tung and Fern presenter!
Go, George!
Not far from the first fall, we reached the second, the middle falls. Here we got to enjoy a free massage. Besides the 4 main waterfalls, there are also a number of mini falls along the way with large pools you can cool off in. It's also a great spot for DJ to take some profile pics. The path is steep but well maintained, with stairs that take you up from one waterfall to the next. As you approach the falls, you can hear the sound of the running water getting stronger and stronger.
Let me introduce the main fall. Look at this, look at this. That's what I call a waterfall.
OMG.
Well, that's what we call a waterfall here. A proper, full-on waterfall. Looking amazing.
The view is absolutely stunning after the rains when the waterfall is in full flow. No words needed. All we want to say is...
This is Sloan and Stone!
We follow the stairs up and reach the final waterfall, the Scatter Falls. From here, there's one final climb up to a crossroads where you can either continue up to the top of Dai Mo Shan or up as we did to look back to the start of the trail. It's a gentle stroll downhill, passing by some ancient relics and back to where the hike began. So that's the end of this episode, about 9 kilometers. How was it for you, DJ?
Well, this is a hike I've been wanting to do for 5 years. Finally got to do it today. It is spectacular. 4 fantastic waterfalls. The main waterfall in particular is really something that you have to see if you're in Hong Kong. And at this time of year, it's all in shade most of the way, and there's some really nice swimming, so it keeps you cool, not felt too hot at all.
I love it. You can see 4 waterfalls in one trail. Can you believe that?
Now we need to do a quick shout out to
Kailas, thank you. We love using your stuff.
And your shoes have been absolutely essential. They're fantastic on wet rock, should I say, as we're going down there. Also, of course, to Sealock for your bags, the waterproof bags, which we needed when we were going up through the waterfalls. For now, oh, I should say, Melody, who is filming right now, we thought we'd lost her a couple of times, but she's still with us, so we don't need to get a new intern. We're not advertising right yet, but maybe in the next episode we'll see if she makes that. For now, my name's DJ Clark.
And I'm George.
And that's Melody behind there, and this is Drone and Bow! I just saved your life there, George. You were drowning, I saved it.
It was you? Oh, I almost drowned it.
I know. So, you owe me your life now.
Okay. I will pay you back for bubble tea.
Bubble tea?
Yeah.
For life?
That's how much my life worth.